Hey everyone, welcome back to another Ross review. This week we're standing next to an AMG CLA45. Now I know I recently did one of these cars, but that was a 2014 model. This one is a 2016, and with this model year, AMG gave this some upgrades. Now in my last review as well, I only took that CLA45 through town. I never really got to push it to its limit. So today, we're out on my favorite B road, we're gonna send it, and we're gonna just see how good the baby AMG can really be. So let's go over the upgrades that the 2016 model got. So the previous ones were making 355 horsepower, would do 0 to 60 in around 4.5 seconds. These things now have been tuned, they've been upgraded. This thing now pumps out 375 horsepower and will do 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds. Out of a 4-cylinder, that's really impressive stuff. Now just stepping inside the 2016 model, the changes don't feel very significant. It does feel very similar to the last one I reviewed. Now if you want to check that one out, which I reviewed more in detail, I'll leave a link for it in the description below. In here though, it does feel very similar. This particular one though has a carbon fiber pack installed. So you've got some carbon fiber aero up front, carbon fiber dash. It does look very nice. Something else added that this car has is AMG's dynamic system. So now this has a dial down here, which you can go through various drive modes. So, you've got Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, Race mode. So this does have a race mode now, very nice. This stiffens everything up. And because of having this dynamic system, it improves everything from acceleration to shift times. The suspension gets stiffer. It really does do quite a bit for this car. So you get a suspension button as well on the dash. You also have an exhaust button now. So if you want to quieten it or make it louder, you've got a button there dedicated for it, which the previous one did not have. And other than that though, it is very, very similar. Those are basically the only changes I can see, is that dynamic range system, like I said, and this having the carbon fiber pack as well. So enough about these upgrades. Let's just get this thing out on the road and see how hard this thing can actually go. Alright, so driving this 2016 CLA45, it's in comfort right now, and you know what? Nah, scratch that. Race mode, manual mode, and let's just launch this thing. So 3, 2, 1. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, baby! Oh. And, wow, this thing is... Oh, yes. Now, first things first, last time I drove the CLA45, I compared it to an Evo 10, and I didn't think it gave as much acceleration as an Evo. Just doing a pull right there doesn't feel as strong as an Evo again, unfortunately. It just, for whatever reason, just off the line, it's 4.1 seconds. That's significantly faster than an Evo. It just straight away off the line, I don't know, it just feels a lot more tame to me. But where this car really excels, oh, is just rolling out of a corner. This thing just feels monstrous when you roll out of a corner. Like I said, just from a standstill, this thing kind of feels a little bit slow, but once it's moving, it really puts the power on really hard, especially coming out of a corner. It's just so confidence inspiring. You know, you've got that all-wheel drive system here, and man, the flappy paddles are good. This thing is just glued to the road, and whew, yeah, this thing is actually fucking really fast around these corners. Probably one of the fastest cars I've taken out on this B road. Wow. All right. So launch control works, and wow, that was 4.1 seconds. Okay, now I get it. Yep. If you try and do this without launch control, it really doesn't work. It doesn't want to compute. It feels slow and sluggish. Using launch control, wow, that is what I was talking about. That's really what I expected, and holy crap, that was nuts. This thing's grunty. Oh! Ooh, Jesus, got some roos. Kangaroos, welcome to Australia. These shifts are just lightning quick. Oh. And I just gotta say that this thing, you can drive this thing to the limit and feel so confident in it. Like, it just feels like it's right at home. No slippage whatsoever. This thing is just so glued, so well balanced. The steering is excellent. Seating position, these seats, they hug you so well, these seats. You just rips your face off like an Evo. I'm gonna give it that. Around corners, this thing pulls just as hard as an Evo. Easily just as hard as an Evo. Drop down a gear, instant. Oh, hear that exhaust go. Oh, and it's just so good. Like, no body roll. Coming around these bends. Drop a gear and this thing, oh. Wow. On a windy road like this car is pretty hard to beat. Coming up to a really tight hairpin here. Down the gears. Into second. Oh. Wow. And you just step on it and it just goes. Your face off. I love this exhaust. The pops and bangs, they just get me every time. I just really love the exhaust note. The only negative I can really say about this car is the size. It is kind of small in here, and you know, I'm not the biggest guy, and it feels pretty tight. If you're a bigger person, this thing's probably going to feel a little bit claustrophobic, but at the same time, this thing just feels so light and nimble. It's not the lightest car out there, but it does feel nimble. It really does feel nimble. Like, the steering is really good, and it's just so stable. Just has such a stable stance. You just can't break traction in this car. Alright guys, gonna finish the video off here today. Huge thanks to the Leyoung Automotive Group for hooking me up with this CLA45 this morning. I can't say enough good things about them, so I'll leave a link in the description below. Please, if you're after a car, check them out and let them know that I sent you. Now, this thing with the upgrades for the 2016 model, it's just taking it to that next level. 4.1 seconds, that launch control, going around the corners in this thing, just so confidence inspiring, and I really do love this thing. The pops and bangs, they just get me every time, and I do love this car. So I hope you enjoyed this review, guys. This thing is amazing on a B-road, so much fun to drive. So yeah, guys, I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you're new here, and we'll see you on that next video.